It is Liron, Techie Nature, and today we've got a tutorial for editing Twine images. So, right now I'm going to open up Acode, and we're going to add a path. Firstly, you want to open up the thing that you need to change the images in. Oh wait, I think it's over here. There we go. Use this folder. Okay. That's right, I forgot the check mark. Okay, it's gonna bring up an ad. There we go. Yes. Okay. So, in this case, we're gonna start with the images. Normally when you have a sugar cube or even just any Twine game, you wanna go in it with this and then push Control F, which usually comes up with the search engine. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Alright, it's not this, it's this. Okay. You have to push Control F or like while you're in the actual thing. So it is a thing that you need a keyboard for probably. Or a Bluetooth one anyway. Alright. Oops. Image source equals. There we go. So as you can see, it has this here. These little quotes are technically what this is. It's just in the HTML. So, or I don't even know what language that is, but what you want to do is you want to change that image source to an absolute link, which I'll show you guys how to upload things on ImageBam. It's fairly easy, but it's a good thing to show. And then pictures, we're gonna search for link. There we go, this one. And then we're gonna add it to, where is it? Portraits of Emotions, Family Safe. You wanna make sure if it's got blood or nudity in it, it's got adult content checked, because otherwise it's not good. And there you go. And that'll upload. And now it's there. This is free image server, so you can just put whatever you want on there pretty much. And not worry about copyright, because it's, as long as you don't share it anywhere that isn't, you know, you get what I mean. As long as the image is yours or you have permission to use it, you're good. These pictures usually are fine for non-commercial stuff. Which I'm not getting any money from this anyway, so I'll definitely leave ads off if I can. In any case, the YouTube will take it anyway. That's right, I gotta go up here, download image, and that will give us an absolute URL. Copy. And then I'm gonna paste it here. And now, in order to save this, you just push Control S or go, I think you can right click. No, it's over here, right? And save. And it'll also save it. So now, if we open up this Twine and then recent files. Okay. Open with. And in order to get that to open up, you might have to go to settings and just remove the auto. I'll show you how to do that after this. If you don't have a mouse like I do. Let's see, so we want to open this up in Opera, I believe. And there it is. Yay! So normally, when you open it up, it will again. So we remove this. Let's say I just did that and then saved it again. And then opened it up again. Which I need to go back over here. Open with there, see, now it has just the alt text with the little thing. So that's not what you want the other thing. So now I can show you, there's another thing that some twines do that might make it a little bit confusing, and it's a speech macro. So it sets up images before the story itself. So I can show you how that works next. I have an example with the speech macro. It's this, I believe. So let's say I want to open this up. So this will come up with the little speech box, but then there's no image there. So let's say no. I wonder why. Maybe the images need to be changed. So the sources need to be fixed. Look. And I'll go back to the beginning. So we're gonna open this up into Acode again. I believe I already have this open somewhere. There it is. And then Twine for speech. Okay, so we're gonna look up story in it. Because that's the place. There it is. So these are where all the images are. See all these? Fused. So what you want to start with is, this is the name, this is the display name, and then this is the source. So what you want to do is replace all those sources with the corresponding images that it is. Since this is just an example, I'm just gonna get the ones that I have here. Which one was that? Confused. Okay, start with that. I think this is surprised, yes. Confused is here. Get the download. And copy the link. I'm gonna move it over here. Paste. And then do the same over here. Just surprised. You just gotta do it one by one. And as long as you do it right, it should come up correctly. In the right way. Let's see. Surprised, I think was the next one. Yep, surprised. Okay, got it. Paste. There we go. Void is next. And you might have multiple characters in order to and needing fixing, so it might take a while in order to do that. Unfortunately, there isn't really a faster way I've found, other than just making up a new entire twine and importing it, but that's actually a little bit harder and harder than just replacing it, because you have to find the right passage and everything, and there's a lot of them, usually in most Twine stories. Happy is next. And it's not happy. Come on. There you are. Paste. Ta-da. So now, I can save this, which I just did, and I'm gonna try to open it up again, this time with the fixed images. And there she is. Yay! Pretty cool, huh? That's all you really have to do. For say macros, you might have a little bit harder time fixing it because it's actually defined each time, because they're just randoms. So just look up this and then the name, and then you'll be able to find it, hopefully. But yeah, well done. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it's worth it for the 400 subscribers that I now have. Holy crap. Holy buckets. Alright. Have fun.